Hello everyone, welcome to Next Top Tech channel. If you think smart telescopes are just toys with cameras, think again. In 2026, compact AI-powered telescopes can automatically align themselves, track deep sky objects, and live stack nebulae in real time, all from your phone. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 smart telescopes you can buy this year, ranked based on performance, features, and overall value. All links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. ZWO Seestar S50. The ZWO Seestar S50 takes the number 1 position because it offers the most balanced combination of optical quality, sensor performance, portability, and price in 2026. It features a 50mm apochromatic triplet refractor with a 250mm focal length, operating at approximately f5. This optical configuration reduces chromatic aberration significantly compared to standard doublet designs, resulting in sharper stars and improved contrast when imaging emission nebulae and star clusters. At its core is the Sony IMX462 CMOS sensor, a highly sensitive chip known for strong near-infrared response and low read noise. That sensitivity helps the S50 perform surprisingly well even under moderate light pollution. The telescope includes full auto alignment using plate solving, motorized anti-as tracking, live stacking, automatic field rotation correction, and built-in filters for solar observation. The mobile app is mature, stable, and includes a large object database with one-tap go-to functionality. Battery life averages around 6 hours, and the integrated design makes it extremely portable. For beginners and intermediate astrophotographers who want consistent, reliable results without complicated calibration, the Seestar S50 remains the most complete smart telescope package this year. Number 2. Celestron Origin. The Celestron Origin ranks second because of its raw optical power and advanced imaging capabilities. Unlike compact refractor-based smart telescopes, the Origin uses a 6-inch Rowe Ackermann Schmidt astrograph optical system operating at an ultra-fast f2.2 focal ratio. That extremely fast focal ratio allows the system to gather light dramatically faster than typical f5 or f6 systems, reducing exposure times while maintaining strong signal-to-noise ratio. The large 6-inch aperture significantly increases light gathering ability, making faint galaxies and nebulae appear brighter and more detailed. The system integrates automated star sense alignment, internal image calibration, and real-time stacking directly within the onboard processor. Users can control exposure settings, stacking depth, and object selection through the companion app without manual polar alignment. The Origin is physically larger and priced higher than most compact smart scopes, but it delivers a noticeably higher ceiling in terms of image depth and clarity. For serious enthusiasts who want observatory-level performance with simplified automation, this system offers one of the most powerful turnkey astrophotography experiences available in 2026. Number 3. Dwarf 3. Dwarf 3 earns the 3rd spot because of its versatility and hybrid dual-lens architecture. It features a 35mm telephoto optical system alongside a secondary wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture both zoomed deep sky objects and expansive Milky Way fields. The primary imaging sensor is the Sony IMX678 Starvis II, known for improved dynamic range and reduced noise in long exposures. One of its standout features is the integrated filter switching system, enabling quick transitions between standard imaging and dual-band filters optimized for emission nebulae. The motorized tracking system supports automated object acquisition and stacking, while panorama stitching allows ultra-wide mosaics to be created directly within the app. Although its 35mm aperture gathers less light than the Seestar S50, the flexibility of switching between wide field and telephoto modes adds creative freedom. Its battery capacity supports extended sessions, and the compact design makes it highly travel-friendly. For users who prioritize flexibility and creative imaging options over pure aperture size, Dwarf 3 remains one of the most innovative smart telescope designs currently available. Number 4. ZWO Seestar S30 Pro. The Seestar S30 Pro offers a more compact alternative while retaining many of the intelligent software features found in its larger sibling. It uses a 30mm apochromatic optical system paired with a Sony IMX585 sensor, capable of delivering detailed 4K resolution imagery with solid low-light performance for its class. While the smaller aperture limits deep sky reach compared to 50mm systems, it excels in wide wide-field astrophotography, capturing large celestial structures such as the Andromeda Galaxy and Orion Nebula with pleasing framing. The telescope includes automated go-to alignment, real-time stacking, anti-dew heating control, and scheduled imaging sessions through its mobile application. Its lighter build makes it particularly attractive for travelers or users who prefer ultra-portable setups. Battery life supports full evening sessions, and the app interface mirrors the intuitive design found in the S50 ecosystem. For users who want a streamlined, portable smart telescope without sacrificing core automation features, the S30 Pro is a strong mid-range choice in 2026. Number 5. Dwarf Mini. The Dwarf Mini takes the 5th position primarily because of its extreme portability and accessibility. Weighing under 1 kilogram, it is one of the smallest fully automated smart telescopes on the market. It features a compact 30mm optical system paired with a low-light CMOS sensor optimized for stacking short exposures. Despite its small aperture, it supports equatorial tracking mode, allowing longer exposure times when properly aligned. The system includes automated stacking, AI-assisted object tracking, and the ability to function as both a night sky imaging device and a daytime telephoto camera for wildlife and landscape photography. While it cannot compete with larger aperture systems in terms of deep space detail, it compensates with convenience, travel readiness, and ease of use. For beginners entering astrophotography or users wanting a lightweight secondary telescope, the Dwarf Mini offers an impressive balance between size and smart functionality. If you're ready to upgrade your stargazing setup, check the links in the description and pick the one that fits your style and budget. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Next Top Tech for more detailed tech breakdowns every week. Let me know in the comments what your first target in the night sky would be. See you in the next one.